Was good. Was good, gang. Hope we're live. We should be. We should be. How's it working though? Cause for me, it's not really working. It's loading. Like, okay, now it's working. Can you hear myself? For me, it's not really working. Okay. So I'm gonna go over what we're looking at today, right? We have a pretty interesting day. I'm gonna start with our calendar as usual. Um, 1 second. So today we don't really have any news, so that's why it's gonna be mostly a low probability day. At least for London, it was a low probability day. That's why I didn't stream. But we're gonna see if we have some potential setups. So tomorrow is gonna be a better day. Wednesday we have CPI, so we're probably not gonna trade before CPI. We're most likely gonna trade after if we get some entries. And Thursday and Friday will be good days. So today we have to be careful. Today and Wednesday we have to be careful. Today is we don't have news, so there's gonna be a slight lack in volatility, right? And yeah, let me 1 second. So what we're gonna look at today for me is DAX. First of all, DAX, because you can clearly pretty much see that we're bullish, right? Here we rebalance of this order block. We had a big bullish range here, rebalance, and exactly the same thing I'm expecting right now. We drew a fib on the last range. We see price coming into the range, also having a 4-hour FEG here. And now we are starting to have a bit of reaction around this area. We started to have a bit of reaction, but we look like for now we're expecting this FEG and this order block right here. So I'm waiting for a bit more confirmation because we had an initiation of a move from that order block, from that 4-hour FEG. Let me actually do like this. So yeah, we had an initial reaction of that FEG, but we need to wait for some more confirmation because this was our initiation. But this can also as well just be a retracement towards a PD array like this 30-minute order block and just continue going lower. That's why I chose a fib. I drew a fib on this range, and now all I'm waiting for is a confirmation that this initiation is going to play through. And here I'm waiting for another entry pattern, another lower time frame break of structure to continue higher. And from here, I'm generally looking to target this high or this high, right? Because we are bullish, we should target highs easily, and we have a lot of liquidity. Now we have equal highs here. But the thing is, when we usually fail to break structure like we did here, we're usually coming for this lows, but it depends. So now I'm waiting for the market structure shift, another entry pattern around this fib, around this FEG again. See, we had the 4-hour FEG, so that's what I'm waiting for. I'm also going to delete this, it's not necessarily needed. And also AUD USD, we have a really good area to look to solve from, right? It's just my intuition clicking when I see this area, just tells me that it's really good because we had a major low here, and see on the 4-hour we gapped perfectly below it, leaving a really good area to retest. Why is this a really good area? Is because it's gapped around the major liquidity level. This liquidity level is the real resistance, the real support and resistance in the market. So if you see it from that perspective, what happened here, we broke support, and now I'm expecting price to retest that support, and it holds, becoming resistance. I don't know if that made any sense, but I'm expecting this. If we come here and retest this also 4-hour FEG and the major liquidity level, which is our support and resistance level, if we hold it and give another market structure shift, we're gonna easily go lower. But if we break above it, it's a pretty high chance we're gonna go higher. So this makes for me a really pivotal area of price and a really good area to look to trade off of, right? UK, not really that interested. I think we're gonna go lower from here pretty much because we already rebalanced. We had a really good rebalance here. During London, we rebalanced this 4-hour AVG and we're most likely gonna go for those equal lows, right? So the only setup I can trade here is if we come back above, and from here maybe get some shorts, but I don't necessarily think that's gonna happen, right? We'll see. GPI, I think GPI pairs have, if I'm not mistaken, have it's bank holiday today, yeah, on GPI. So I don't know if I'm gonna trade it, but we'll see. So we are rejecting pretty good of the lows. We have very significant liquidity here, lower time frame liquidity, but I don't know if I'm really trying to trade bank holiday. Again, my main pairs of choice will be DAX and AUD USD. For London, we basically had nothing. That's why I did a stream. I don't think it's really a good. I don't think you actually. How do I say this? I don't actually think it's gonna be a fun live if I just like don't train, you know what I mean? If there's no setups, I don't think it's gonna be a really valuable live stream. So that's why I'm kind of streaming only when I have and only when there is a potential setup in the market, right? When I don't see anything, I don't see a point in streaming, you know what I mean? So yeah. Also, I'm I want to start a series. Why do I sound so like Persian or something? I'm looking to start a series. Why do I say this so weird? Series. Oh, fuck me, bro. I'm looking to start a series where we learn fundamentals together, right? Because I think I should learn fundamentals. I have been already trading. I have been already trading for 2.5 years, and I think it's time to learn fundamentals. You know what I mean? So let's see if DAX gives us a market structure shift around this area, at least this high, I would say, because here we get a pretty good R. See, we get a way better R rather than if we would have entered around this inverse. And also timing is good now because we're approaching, we did open New York technically. We did technically open on New York, but we need to, that's why also the century was a bit bad because it was too early. The setup looks extremely good to me, so it's only a matter of if price manages to come around this area, right? USD GPI is rejecting of the low, yes, but again, I'm not really that confident in buying USD GPY when we have these equal lows right here. For me, these are very vulnerable. We had a really good rejection of the highs here. See how we closed. So I don't know if I'm gonna trade that. I know I'm waiting on this really good area and on DAX. We might have a setup here. But what I don't know, it's like 100 pips. Oh yeah. I understand it now. Sound like I'm fucking retard. Or is it a 10 pips? Yeah, I think it's 10 pips. And this is, yeah, then 17. My god, Brody. Let's see. That's risk calculator. Because this was our danger zone, right? This is exactly very similar to the trade we had on UK, where I had a mistake that I didn't. I had a danger zone. This is a new concept I'm implementing. A danger zone. I had a danger. I had a danger zone marked on my chart, which means an area that has a pretty high chance of reacting off, but I didn't know what to do with it. So this is the perfect example. We're essentially placed in the same scenario as of the losing trade on UK. We can see here we are almost exactly the same, right? This is our danger zone. Price came to it, and on the UK trade, I just entered based just off this move, right? Just of this move, but what I should have done here is wait for another market structure shift or an entry confirmation and then look to to take the buys towards. It looks very similar, right? And then I should have looked to continue higher. So it's exactly what I'm doing now. I'm not doing the same mistake I learned from the last trade. As you can see, it's very similar price action. I learned from the last trade, and what I'm doing now is waiting for another market structure shift. So waiting for another confirmation. So yeah, that's pretty much it. AU still has some time. Maybe we will reach this, but it might happen, it might not happen, but we need some serious volatility to reach that area in today's session, which I don't really think is gonna happen. Maybe tomorrow, maybe during Asia. Yeah, depends. UK looks really weird. We're probably still gonna duel towards the south side. Ooh. I really like my banner, bro. This shit looks so good, bro. On God, Gangi. I've changed my banner and my profile picture, and I feel like it looks so much better right now than before. Let's see if Dax wants to give us something. It kind of looks bearish for now, but we have to see. It's just being cautious. See how fast I learn from my mistake, bro. See how fast I learn from my mistake. I did it once. I did it once. I lost. Now I learn instantly. If I didn't journal my trade, I wouldn't have improved. I would have probably already forgotten about this and already entered in another trade. That's why journaling is so important. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. I'm also kind of getting into thumbnails. I want to have better thumbnails because now I've changed my banner and my profile picture, and I want like the thumbnails to, how do I say this, to look, to kind of, how the fuck do I say this? The thumbnails to go well with my avatar and my background, my banner. So also I've been kind of neglecting thumbnails, and yeah, what I've been dealing with lately is like a lot of procrastination towards my YouTube channel. I started like, I don't know how to explain, wanting higher quality from my videos, but wanting so much quality that it would just get overwhelming and I would not do anything towards my YouTube channel. So I'm trying to kind of go with the flow, stop trying to be so perfect, and yeah, stop trying to be so perfect and just do, bro. Like, I'm gonna increase my I'm gonna increase my I'm gonna increase my quality as time goes on, so I shouldn't like overthink and be perfectionist about this. Also, I need to. So wait. I need to start. I mean, the stats look decent, right? We had 1.5K in the last 30 days, which is really okay for me, and I'm really happy with this. So, yeah, also we got a lot of subs in the last month. But the thing is, what I did wrong is I stopped around here when we got that really good video. I should have continued to post videos. That's why consistency is so important on YouTube. So I need to really do that and just stop being so perfectionist about my videos. And the next thing I gotta work on is gonna be my the medium watch time is pretty small. It's only around 10%, so that's pretty small. I mean, it's decent. It's not like garbage, but it's pretty small. But as of a beginner, it's okay. So what I should do is focus on making the videos more entertaining, because that's a problem. So you kind of make videos more entertaining through how you have your video structured and through editing. So yeah, that's gonna be my main goals. But overall, I think we're doing pretty good. As for the start, right? As for the start, we're doing pretty good, but I should have continued here. It's consistency is really important, so I should do lives whenever I can at least, and I should try to post videos every day, regardless if it's like lower quality. But I want to make sure even the videos are not like super duper edited and super duper high quality. I want to make sure that you're getting value out of them and they're relatively fun to watch. So I need to start posting again pretty consistently. That's gonna kind of be my goal because consistency is really important on YouTube. And yeah, that's kind of I'm looking to kind of stream most most days of the week. Again, I don't think streaming when there is no setups is really fun. I want to do those fundamental series, and that's gonna be really allow me to be consistent. The fundamental series where we learn fundamentals, that's gonna be a series I'm gonna try and post as much as I can, and I just want to do videos, more videos, but I should also gradually increase. I can't just like go from videos like how they currently are, where they're not really like very edited, to full on like high quality videos. I need to like take it step by step, gradually, because that's why you when you that's what happened. That's when you get overwhelmed, right? When you do that grad, you just switch full on switch. You take too much, and then you're gonna get overwhelmed. You burn out, and you're not gonna do anything. So that's pretty much it. We're looking at rejecting on USDJPY, but Next doesn't really look like it's reacting much, but it depends. This week we have CPI, so we gotta be a bit more careful than usual. And also, it's the second week of January, so yeah, it's the second week, so just being a bit more cautious, you know what I mean? Let's see if we are rejecting like almost instantly when we come towards our area, so we gotta see what happened here. We gotta see what happened here. Okay, we came into that order block and now we're rejecting. So this is a pretty good sign. Now I would just want to see. We want to see both of these gaps getting validated. Closed above, but again, stop loss is pretty big. Unless you place it here, this is very big, right? So it depends. Okay, gotta put some music on. Music. I don't know how. Annalie Choppa says music. Music. Down, meow, meow. Let's see what Dax does, bro. It kind of looks like he's rejecting right now, so we might get that entry. I'm gonna get ready in case that happens, but this is a bit weird, right? When it's a bit weird to watch for like a confirmation as an entry pattern, because the only thing we have are the gaps. Basically, that's our only confirmation for market structure shift. And a bullish gap formed. Or what can happen, which would be even better, is we form a low here, we take here, and then we break higher. This would be even better if we get this. Yeah. What the fuck was that? Blah. Blah.
Comendo xereca e o pedido veio do brabo, veio do Talibã. Pedido veio do brabo, veio do Talibã. Que tal, que tal, que tal, que tal?
So now, uh, we see that we got a retracement towards that 0507 I've been talking about, and now we are kind of having a reaction. But importantly here, we can't just enter of this gap. We need to see some confirmation, which in this case would be price invalidating this both this 55-minute, which in this case is price invalidating both of these FVGs right here. If price does that, I'm really willing to take my entry. I would probably take something like this. We gotta have a bid. It's kind of big stop loss, but that's okay. We're looking to target maybe previous day high, so we can, I think we can actually look to have a stop loss around this level, and we're looking to target some liquidity around this level, because previous daily high, I mean, not really, previous daily high is here, right? Previous daily high is here, so we can target a bit more, but we gotta see what price does. Obviously the best stop loss placement would be here underneath this low, because this is a really significant rate on liquidity here, and then we start being bullish. But it depends on the RR you get, right? Because if we get really bad R, like entering like this, we get really bad R. So that's pretty much about it. But we can target this side. There's still pretty bad R, but we have this liquidity here, so oops, there's probably those ratio will probably be my main liquidity that I'm looking to target. So I'm looking to get to R on that main liquidity if we get the opportunity. So we'll see if price breaks this high. That's what I'm price breaks this FVG right here. But again, stop loss is gonna be pretty big, so most likely I'm gonna kind of place it around below this low, because if price comes down towards these lows, it probably will invalidate our trade idea. So we'll see. But for now, we're kind of looking like we're respecting that FVG, so no entry yet. What can happen is we respect this FVG, we come a bit lower, then we start to break structure, and that would actually offer us a better RR. So that's a pretty much better choice if that happens, because now we're kind of forming this high. This high will become, if we're breaking lower, this high will become our entry pattern for the trade, right? Our, how do I say, pivotal structure for our trade. Also, USD is still waiting for that. We have a pretty much a long way to go, so we'll see if that happens. UK again, really weird price action. Same with UJ. UJ. So not really looking that good now. So probably my main two pairs are gonna be DAX and AU. There's potential we can reach here around 5, but we need to have a bit of volatility, which I don't know if will happen. But again, waiting on DAX. I'm gonna update you if something happens. I'm gonna update you through every step that I'm looking at, and yeah, we'll see. Avi, ooh. Habe. I also should start doing my thumbnails for lives. I think that would be pretty good, but I don't know, because usually I think people are drawn to seeing thumbnails with trades on it, right? So when that's what I saw, at least on my performance on my live streams, is when people see that I'm in a trade like this, they see this is the thumbnail, they're gonna click on the video. If I'm not in a trade, the live stream is not that interesting, right? Because obviously it's not that interesting. The title of the stream is live trading until I get an M4. So that's obviously what people are drawn towards, seeing live price action. Not many people will be drawn towards just seeing me talk about charts. So that's why I'm kind of I will try to live stream when I have potential setups. If I don't, people are not gonna be interested, at least not yet. So yeah, I'm trying to be consistent with the streams. I'm probably still gonna be consistent with the streams, because yeah, I'm gonna trade every day. So I'm gonna be on the charts every day. And at some point I'm still gonna get entries there, I'm still gonna get potential setups, therefore I'm gonna stream. And I also want to be kind of consistent with videos continuing forward. And yeah, I need to pay a bit more attention to thumbnails. That's gonna be my priority for the next upcoming videos. Is gonna be thumbnails and actually structuring the video a bit better. Structuring the video a bit better in terms of not repeating myself so much, because I do repeat myself a lot sometimes. Not repeating myself so much because that's annoying to hear. And yeah, not repeating myself too much, having kind of good, having a pretty decent like flow of the video. I don't really do scripts because it's hard for me to do scripts. It's better off to just like freestyle. So probably just structure my video a bit better, kind of slowly increase quality. And thumbnails is pretty much a must, because that's what gets your video clicked, right? Thumbnails gets your video clicked. So if the thumbnail is bad, no one's gonna click on your on your video, right? But I think my titles are decent. They might need some work, but they're decent. The thumbnail, the titles are not the problem, in my opinion. The problem is basically my thumbnails, right? Because I don't know what my click-through rate is. Where can I see what my click-through rate is? Let me see. YouTube Studio click-through data here. Let's see. Click-through rate. Where do I see that shit? Spectator curenți. Stream live. Shorts. Let's see. How the fuck do I see that shit? Click-through rate. Because most of my viewers are actually coming from from the recommended page, but I don't know where I can see my click-through rate on my videos. Oh my god, I have a 4% click-through rate. That's kind of garbage, no? I get enough exposure in like I get pretty much a lot of exposure through feed. That my videos are getting posted on feeds, but my click-through rate is really small. So I think it should be at least 10% in my opinion. So 10 people. I mean, let me see. Let me actually ask ChatGPT what's a good click-through rate. So let's see. What's a good click-through rate for an average for a channel that goes? What's a good click-through rate on average for 4 to 6%? But your thumbnails are tight, might need improvement, but you're doing well and like seeing good audience engagement. So yeah, it says that general average is between 4 and 6 on click-through rate, which I'm kind of in the average, which is okay. But I would kind of aim for 10. I think I can easily do 10 with good thumbnails. So actually my click-through rate is not that bad as of right now. It's not that bad actually. So yeah, it's decent. My sets are decent. My what is that? Let me ask. What do you think an average watch time is? Where's what is that shit, bro? What is that? I think my 30 to 50, it's a good. I have 10%. Yeah, I should have Yeah, I got I gotta really work on my click-through rate is decent, but it will get better as of when I'm gonna start doing thumbnails. But this are overall good. This part is overall good. This has a bit of improvement, but uh, this needs this needs some improvement. Yeah, yeah. That definitely needs some improvement, though, right? Overall, we're doing decent, but yeah, we're just at a start where we're still doing decent, in my opinion. 60 subscribers, gang, 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 squaddy. If you actually think about it, if you gather 60 people in your life and you gather them together, that's a lot of people, right? But I would want to hit on 100. I think 100 for me is like it would feel nice. But we're halfway through there, so that might actually happen. Be nice. We gotta do videos. Yeah, I gotta do videos basically. Mm-mm. 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 Let's see. So I gotta work on thumbnails and on average watch time. My average watch time is kind of garbage. I need to keep people entertained, but yeah, I think that will just like naturally get better as I just continue posting videos. So the access is kind of slow for now. Yeah, we might reach, but this this looks like a big consolidation. That's what we actually retested here, and that was pretty clean, but we failed the swing lower. Whoa, shit. Whoa, no. Oh, damn. I want to invest in Nvidia, bro. Nvidia's gonna go so fucking high because of the things they're doing right now. Maybe I'm gonna need this low though. We're here. Whoa. Nvidia's gonna be really good. Oh, we are on DAX. We are also on a daily FVG. I didn't even notice this, but and we are rejecting off it. That's a really good sign. Well, we have to see if we get huh, on the 3 minute. It just looks weird as fuck, right? So we gotta wait for a bit more confirmation. AUD might actually reach, no? Apparently we didn't comment the order block, but let's see. What did the XY do for today? Oh yeah, it basically just went higher. So this rebalance, so I understand it now. Wait. What area are we? Oh. We are in a really good daily area on Europe, but I mean, this just looks weird, doesn't it? Looks weird. Looks weird. But we are enforcing this. Are a pretty good sign. If we are inversing it, maybe a retest, same as DAX. But it's kind of slow, bro. Like, what is this, bro? Why are you so slow, man? Why are you so slow, bro? Like, do something. Do some. Are you consolidating, gang? We do be kind of rejecting here. Why you so slow, man? Like if you break now, that's gonna pretty much be your entry. but we will have to have our stop loss probably. You know, this looking to target the buy so liquidity, but it's a bit far, if I can say that. But we are in a daily FVG, so actually our main target should be this. So 1, 2, 3. But depends, gang. How we break. How we break. I actually haven't checked my fund index in a while. In a while. I think we're at 1.3. Oh yeah, good calculation, man. Very good calculus. Very good calculus, man. How many trading? I have 44 trading days. That's crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy, bro. High chance for reacting off this, but we'll see. Looks like we're slowly starting to break higher. Or we can just continue lower. But I hate that the fact that we're so slow right now. It's probably gonna go lower because UK is going lower. They're usually kind of related, so probably gonna come lower, a bit lower. Haga. I'm losing my mind, man. So we'll see what we actually did today. We'll see what we actually did, gang. Cause should we get started with the fundamentals part? I wonder if people are really gonna watch that shit. But I think I'm gonna do it regardless because I still need to learn fundamentals. So maybe there's gonna be people that. Yeah, I had some viewers of mine that told me that they need to learn fundamentals, and I also need to learn fundamentals. So I might do a series as well. Hobby. I hate, sometimes I hate just waiting for the market to do something.
There's a lot going on right now.
Are you serious right now?
Oh my god. No one sight. Defuse. You can defuse. What?
Oh my fucking god, dog.
How does that guy not die though?
So even racist.
Yeah, you like that?
So even racist.
Yeah, you like that? Yeah, you like that? Can I have the ace? Ace?
Always. Go lose, go die.
Yes! I'm just so good! I'm carved up, you won't let me.
What he's doing?
Spike down mid.
Please, man, please, man.
Chamber just blew up. It looks like Chamber literally blew up.
Oh, it's kind of lucky, boy. Why are the market? I mean, it kind of makes sense why the markets are slow, but yeah.
I don't know who the fuck this guy is, bro.
Placing alarm bot.
Are we taking this? Okay, let's go.
Wait.
Placing
Nice. I can drone you behind that smoke.
Heaven.
Not in the smoke, one behind the smoke. Tag them, tag them. I can dart after that.
enemy remaining.
Sheesh.
I'm having problems. Is this Phoenix? Oh, he's dead.
Last player standing.
Oh my god, bro, this guy.
Having
Guy's crazy.
problems. Is this Phoenix? Oh, he's dead.
Last player standing. One enemy remaining. Spike down B.
My barrier just bounced.
To where?
Smoke's A.
It's good, Gangy.
Stairs, it bounced up the stairs. I'm gonna show you after the game. It was so funny. Okay.
Oh my god, I'm bouncing off his booty cheeks. Chill.
Last player standing. Spike down
I got
A.
pegged.
Probably gonna. Do I stop the stream? I don't know, bro, but I feel like I should start streaming when I get more subscribers, because right now there's no one watching, so I'm not sure if I should continue with this or just like invest my time in making videos, because when I stream I kinda can't really do anything else. Or can I? Yeah, it's weird, so we'll see. I don't know if it's really worth it to stream right now. I really have no idea if it's worth to stream or not. Because I'm not saying this because I'm mad, but I don't think, like, for example, while I would wait for this setup, if I wasn't streaming, I would most likely do something else, right? So that would be just a better use of my time. Right now, if I'm streaming, there's no one watching, you know? Caterinca emoji-ul ăla. Bag pula, nu știu dacă să mai fac stream-uri, frate. Că în timpul ăsta măcar dau grind pe altceva. Și Daxul nimic, zero. Nu se mișcă deloc. Stă pe loc, frate. Nu știu dacă e worth să fac stream-uri, sincer, la aia mă gândesc. Că dacă ar fi oameni cu care să vorbesc, atunci, da, să zici că ar merita. Că oricum durează mult până se dă play la un setup. Drâng, grind, păi de-aia zic, dar nu știu. Când ești pe stream nu-i chiar așa confortabil să dai grind sau nu știu, nu. Nu. Bă, da, aș putea fi drept. Dar, de exemplu, e inconfortabil să încerci să filmezi videouri, adică nu prea poți să faci video în timp ce faci stream. Nu știu. Las că mă gândesc. Încă gen să-i dau și grind și stream în același timp, nu știu, nu mai gândesc oricum. Până acum oricum ce în examene? Nimic nu face Daxul. Dacă ar ajunge aici, ăsta e cel mai bun setup posibil pentru, nu știu, zilele astea. AUD-USD-ul, dar nu vrea să ajungă acolo. Adică nu știu dacă ajunge azi. Ar fi top să ajungă, dar e mult loc până ajunge acolo. Dacă se ține gap-ul, Caricex, efectiv Caricex. Probabil o să vină mai jos un pic. Până ajunge acolo. Ce cont? Nu înțeleg, pulă, ce zici. N-am tranzacționat deloc pe contul ăla de la Fan de Next. Oh, hi bro. How are you, man? How are you? Bă, da, știu ce zici, dar de ce să fac pe el? Să intră așa de ampulă, gen, sau ce? N-am pe ce să, oricum nu văd niciun setup și n-am efectiv pe ce să intru. Să pun și o muzică măcar. Let's play some music. Vreau să învăț, I wanna learn, no, în ce limbă vorbesc acum, pulă? Ca. E bine, bă. Păi n-ai ce pierde, dar dacă nu văd niciun setup, fra. Dacă nu văd niciun setup, n-are rost să intru, gen. Dacă începe să spargă acum, cred că se și duce în jos. Oh my god. I wanna learn fundamentals, man. I asked ChatGPT, what should I learn in fundamentals? Let me see. Bă, așa e titlul ăsta la toate live-urile. This is what GBT said to learn. Inflation, interest rates, employment, economic growth, monetary and fiscal policy. Stai că mă sună, nu știu cine. Stai. Stai așa. Hai să dau și ție mod, că nu știu ce face modul oricum. That's looking like we're still gonna go lower. Maybe we're either gonna like melt towards the downside or either gonna react off this low. If we react this low, this is our break of structure. But yeah, it's just a little. This looks like it's gonna go nowhere. Cred că intru în ăsta pe contul la random. Lejer până aici, idei. Da, e risky asta, dai seama că nu le iau pe... Brasil. Let's see. Where's my... This feature is exclusive. It's not ce morții, mătii. This feature is exclusively available for MT5. It doesn't fucking work. Find the next server 3. Trei, 1, 3, 7, 6, 1. Ba, pula, nu mere, că n-am MT5 și nu mere terminală, nu înțeleg de ce. A, uite acum asta. Login. Zi-mi, te rog, că nu-mi trimite parola pe mail. Fotos, cura, mătii. Fuck. On the next. Wait, this song is actually fire. So there's actually like a Fund the Next competition going on. Oh, not this, my bad. This. There's a Fund the Next feature like competition going on, and I haven't taken any trades for it yet, so let's just take a random trade if it's still available. 5 minutes? Oh my god, are lag. Create new order, so let's see. Buy limit. Buy limit, volume 3 lots. We got into max. Cause I think this is the max. Stop loss. Maybe here. Where is gonna be the take profit? Oh, here is gonna be the take profit. Easy shmoney. But can I do like multiple? it doesn't even let me make another order. That's crazy. So basically this is a competition account, so we'll see what happens there. But it's really laggy, the fuck. The fuck. See how cool you can... Mamă, te văd pe tine că vorbește engleză. Dar la oricum cred că a ieșit. Bă, pe MT5, da. Bă, ești mecher. Dar nu mi-arată... Nu mi-arată în dolar profitul. Dar nu mă lasă să intru mai multe trader sau mă lasă? Stai că nu mai înțeleg nimic, am prea multe taburi deschise. Nu mi-arăta... Vai, dar ce lag are, pulă. Ai de pula mea. Scârbos lagul ăsta. Eu... No, ce pula mea. Ce pula mea, bă, man, uite-te ce lag are. Dar nici măcar nu mai mi-arată orderul acum. Vezi că nu mi-l arată în dolari. Pula mea, și așa cred că ați plecat, ați m-ați lăsat singur. Nu te lasă, mă. Intra, sunt numai 3 loturi. Bă, nu știu, chiar n-am idee. Da, s-ar putea să meargă ăsta. L-am pus așa, l-am pus de aici. Dar nu respinge foarte bine pe FVG-ul ăla. Și până aici. Că cam ăsta e cel mai easy și safe TP, sincer. Și cât e? Eu 3,76. Ăsta nu l-aș lua pe contul Count of 100, dar l-aș lua aici. Arată destul de bine gap-ul ăsta. Pe 5 minute. E dat invers la ăsta. Nu aș scrie dacă mere. Dar ar trebui să fie destul de easy, dar motivul pentru care nu am chef să intru în el pe contul live e căcatul ăsta de aici, nu-mi place, e prea multă lichiditate. Dar avem gap de o oră aici. S-ar putea să meargă, adică șanse destul de mari, nu e setup așa rău, dar nu e setup pe care l-aș lua pe contul personal. Asta cred că imediat ar trebui să-l dea, să ia low-urile și după să înceapă să spargă. Dacă nu ia low ăla, îmi bag pula, nu intru. Restart, nu intru. Dar e ciudat, ar trebui să-mi iau și pe MT5. Ar trebui să mă mut pe MT5, dar nu cred că mai pot pula să mă mut pe MT5. Odată ce am un cont, poate pot, dacă le fac tichet sau ceva, bă, mutați-mă pe MT5. Hai să vedem. Ce-ai? No, să vedem. So let's see. Let's let him. Let's see what he do. Oh, but that chip. Oh my god, bro, this platform is so laggy, bro. What is this shit, man? Our entry's here. It's a competition account. We will see. Dax. Not really doing what we want here.
YouTube Premium este YouTube fără anunțuri și videoclipuri fără anunțuri în aplicația YouTube Kids. Încearcă o lună fără costuri.
Ela bate no peito, ela fala que é braba. Vamos ver se tu aguenta. Sequência vai tomas.
Vedem dacă Dax.
Ela bate no peito, ela fala que é braba. Vamos ver se tu aguenta. Sequência vai tomas.
Mă duc să pip. Let's run. Uite ce profet.
Esse é o DJ Sambinho, brabo da produção.
Let's see.
É o prato da putaria. Você fode cabuceta, fode com o cozinho. Você fode cabuceta, fode com o cozinho.
Ascultă diverse melodii preluate ale artiștilor preferați în aplicația YouTube Music.
Oh my god, we are $6 in profit, $50. Oh my god, gang. So let me actually record this because it might be a good trade. So let me stop the song. So we actually managed to take an entry on USD JPY because overall we look good, but the entry wasn't taken on my funded account. We are trading a competition account on FundedNext. I'm gonna probably explain a bit more later when I don't know about this competition. It's basically a free competition. You get a 100k account and then you can trade it, and based on how you perform you're gonna get different rewards, right? This wouldn't be a setup I take on my funded account because we have the SQL levels right here, and it's just too risky for me. And today we also have bank holiday for USD for JPY, so it's a bit risky to take on my personal account. But overall we came in this 1 hour FVG here. We came in this 1 hour FVG, and from here we raided London lows, and then we got a market structure shift, breaking this high right here, breaking this inverse and leaving a perfect gap here. So this is where I took my entry, and I'm looking to target this equal highs right here, and this will be my break-even point. Overall it's pretty simple, it's nothing complicated. Now let's just see if something happens with this trade. Apoi cu ChatGPT-ul n-ai cum cu aia să... Orice îți face GPT-ul, orice-i dai, gen. Am mai văzut și asta cu fundamentele, gen, i-am zis, dăm ce să învăț pentru fundamentele și mi-a dat exact ce trebuie, gen. Bă, dar pleacă bine asta. Pleacă destul de bine. $100 profit, oh my god, close position. Bă, DAX-ul, am uitat să mai mult la DAX. Bă, vezi că sparge DAX-ul, să mor eu, cum zic. Dacă sparge higher last, intru. Dacă sparge higher astea pe el, îți direct. Nu intri Discord, mă, mai bine. Să stăm în Discord măcar. DAX is breaking, so we might actually take this. This is gonna be taken on my funded account if it breaks. Have a decent high from here with some liquidity. I mean, it's just an update. I talked about this trade earlier, so now all we're watching is price breaking this high here, and we are kind of free to take our entry, and we will have. But that morții, mate. You will have a pretty decent RR here because we're probably gonna take our entry around this stop loss, maybe below here for extra safety, and main target will probably be here, like a 3.7. Similar to USD JPY. Actually, I'm gonna watch DAX on the other monitory. Aici lagam în pușcă PC, am prea mult deschis. Oh. Come on, USD JPY. We actually look like we're living. Dacă pui stop-loss aici, da, așa rău, e numai extra safe. 2.5. Let's see. We'll see what happens. For now, USD JPY looks like it's living, but it depends. Hai. Stai. Nu, mi-arată că ești offline. Eu cred că opresc live-ul, oricum. Adică de ce pula mea să opresc? Stai să vedem dacă dă DAX-ul. Ce pula mea cântă cocoș acum, coaie? Alo. RTC connecting. Ce pula mea? Gata. Dacă te aud încet. Pula, nu vrea efectiv DAX-ul să dea, bă. Not wanting. Să vedem, pleacă ăsta, e intrat în el. USDGP. Dar respinge. Uite-te în el. Bă, DAX nu vrea, mă, să spargă, nu vrea, dar ce pula mea e așa încet, că e New York. Nu a făcut nimic, s-a deschis New York-ul de o oră jumate, nu a făcut nimic. De-aia am și zis că azi, dacă nu știri, o să fie mai înceată piața. Mie îmi place DNB și funk, alea sunt cele mai top, că îți dau vibe așa de tras, nu știu. Nu vrea efectiv, pute mașini el să mă fut. Nu vreau piața, mă. De o săptămână jumate, nu vrut. Și nu te lasă, am încercat să intru cu mai multe loturi și zice max volum, rich. Păi nu, cât ai deschis. Pe 3 loturi maxim. Dacă ai 3 loturi deschise, ești gata. Nu te lasă mai mult. Respectă urât rău ăla. Bă, dar asta pe audio se depulă ghepul ăsta, arată, hai de pula mea, gen. E prea bun ghepul ăsta pe 4 ore. Da. Bă, nu, ăsta, nu știu, recent. Pula mea unde rup, da, nu știu, din 10 ianuarie îmi arată. Bă, da, acolo ăla e bun rău ghepul. Dar used GPUI-ul văd că ține pe profit, dar cred că e ripce. Că respinge prea tare în ghepul ăsta, beriș. Ute maș. Bă, te cred. Nu vreau, mă, Dax, mă. Nu vreau, efectiv. Poate avem ceva volatilitate acum de la 30. Că, ia, bă, stai că nu am uitat pe Nasdaq și pe astea. Pula, efectiv, au plecat deja. Sau? Dacă ar da un sweep la higher-urile astea ar fi perfect. Să te uiți la sell. Bă, ar fi destul de bun. SPX sub, carici. Chiar numai Nasdaq-ul. Nasdaq-ul chiar arată decent. Dacă nu pleacă deja, dai open în 5 minute. E volatilitatea mare, poate. Poate. Stai să-mi închid în pula mea că prea lagam. Am chestii importante pe aici. Stai. Să văd. Dacă nu cred că am. Bine, am cât de cât importante. Asta că le las și dă-le în pula. Thumbnail dark. Să simt titlul. Dar nu te întreabă din ele, gen. Știi care încep să zici, gen. Samuel Okuwatobi. Oluwatobi. Să cheamă pe ăsta. Bă, unul moderator. Ăsta a fost primul meu, gen, abonat, care chiar a comentat la videouri. I-am dat mod pe live. Zi-mi, te rog, că face ceva piața pe... Oare are UI, că e și gap de 4 ore. Gândesc dacă are potențial. Stai că mi se încarcă. Dacă nu văd. UI. Da, de-ai avut la... No, ăla e 4 ore. Nu sunt chiar așa rele. Ești pe profit. Per total. 6%. Da, cred că 6%. Nu. Bă, da, atunci...
Și aici dacă te uiți. Și aici dacă te uiți. Și aici.
De aia vara e, în general vara,
Stop loss effect.
cum stop loss.
Sus, eu. Consolidativ.
Ai de pula mea. De-aia e bună vara pe strategie, că ea se mică. Și cam aia e exact ce vrei să vezi pentru strategie. Eu, bă, că pleacă, sta, bă. USGB 4 ore. Bă, da. AUD-USD-ul e destul de clean. Chiar e destul de clean. Să las asta să curgă, nici nu știu dacă să mai mă uit la DAX sau nu.
4 ore. Fac. Aici.
Stai că-l deschid.
Și ala s-a închis, să vedem. Stop loss.
Stai că nici n-am văzut. Apoi la ce stop loss ai pus-o, mă. Am MRTP direct. Apoi tu dacă intri pe 4 ore îți dai seama.
Aici o dat cap. Ia de aici, hai. Ce? Hai să
Cred că mi opresc live-ul ăsta un pic, că mă enervează. Și dau drumul.